Welcome to Anam Satisfying Art YouTube channel. Today we are present with a new art. Let's start. Things you need: square paper. Fold the paper as shown in the video. Like this. Like and share. Cut like this. Make it this way as shown in the video. Fold the paper like this. Like this. Follow us on Instagram. If you have not subscribed to Anam Satisfying Art YouTube channel, subscribe now. Fold the paper like this. Like this. Make it this way as shown in the video. Like this. Cut from here. Like this. Make it this way. Follow us on Instagram. It's ready. If you like this video, like the video, share, comments and subscribe the channel as well as press the bell icon so that the next video notification can reach you.